Hey, it's Hotrod. Finally got the motor back from my YouTube Redneck Physco Bike. Started out as a 13 horse Honda. Went to Mountain Motorsports, and it's up to 20 horsepower now. They used to race it in a car in arena racing. Eddie and Buzz at B&E Small Engine Repair got it fixed up for me and sold it. So I had it started up on the ground, but it was walking all over the driveway. I was afraid it was going to end up over in the woods. You got to give it gas, it wants to flip over. So it's got a little torque. These are the tires these things came with. And if you look down there, it's got a little plate that you could get them with motors on, but you know, they probably weren't that much motor. It's got a real good frame on it. Make people get out of the way when I do that. But I'm going to put this down and see if it'll crank. I was halfway through the video a while ago and the battery went dead, so I'm going to see it. Then I couldn't get it started. I didn't give it enough gas, I guess, so I'm going to start it, attempt to start it, put the camera down. I just got one bolt holding the motor on there. It's really tight though. It's set right on the original motor plate, and get this thing right here in a minute. Oh, I see the little mini one over there in the corner. I might put a 5-horse on that. I got a 5-horse engine. See if this thing will start up. Oh, it's got a electric start on it. I haven't hooked it up because I just got the motor, so I'm going to pull it with the cord. See, it's got some pressure. Got a little cam in it. Oh, that thing is real. If I leave it just like it is, those tires, I mean, I couldn't even pull off the pulley bars because you see all that weight right on the very back and jumping up and down. I love this thing, man. I'm going to have so much fun with this. People didn't think it was going to happen, but it's going to happen. Got a clutch for it. Buzz and Eddie race go-karts, so they got a go-kart axle on the gate. It's already going to have the bracket and everything on there for the rotor and caliper. So I'll be able to stop and won't kill myself. I know it's going to go, I just want to be able to stop too. Oh, those exhausts came off a 63 Jaguar, if you can believe it. We're going to get those hooked up and run dual pipes out the back like that. This is real easy to do because it's come right off of this manifold right there. Push that upside down, run down to a dry pipe. Dry, because it's going to make noise. So you can see the starter. And it's got the little solenoid there for your starter hook up. I'm going to put that on. I want everything as quick as I can get it. It's going to have wheelie bars on it. At least one coming out the center here. So, no governor, so that fits me fine. Rub up a little bit. Now I'm going to do something about that exhaust right there. So then the breather, we're going to put that out, have the dual breather system in, get them straight up. I'm going to see what it's going to take to put it on the road, just ride it down the road like these stupid scooters. Then I'm going to try to find me a Honda Civic to blow its doors off. Just kidding. Sounds like it got a little cam in it. Well, I got it set at 33 by 22 and a half. I don't know if they're Hooters or Mickey Thompson's. I'm going to put on there with instead of the older Wells wheels. So that'll take some of the torque away from it. But it's a cartoon bike, just like Tubzilla's a cartoon car. I don't care if people like it or not. It's what I like, and they can whatever, take it or leave it. But anything exotic and wild, that's what I do. That's why they call it Redneck Psycho Bike. I'm a redneck and I'm psycho. Of course, they're going to do something different on the gas tank. That's just their temporary. I've already ran a screwdriver through that muffler, so it sounds a little better. Here, let's see what kind of bike this is. I think they're still making them. This damn camera don't want to focus sometimes. Seat raises up and down with this little lever right here. Put 8-hangers on them to extend the front end. I got the 63 back up in the air again. I might put station wagon springs on it and make a super stocker out of it instead of lowering it. I don't know yet. I keep changing my mind. Alright, I just want to give you an update. Let you know this thing is happening. She will be awesome. Later.